What if I told you your biggest financial enemy isn't inflation, your boss, or even your income? It's your own brain. Every day, your mind quietly convinces you to spend money you didn't plan to spend. A coffee here, a late-night Amazon order, a limited-time sale. It doesn't feel dangerous. But over the next 10 years, those tiny decisions could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Today, you'll discover the hidden psychology that keeps millions of people stuck financially, and the simple trick wealthy people use to beat it.
Imagine two friends. Both earn $75,000 a year. 10 years later, one owns investments, has financial freedom, and barely worries about money. The other lives paycheck to paycheck. Same salary, completely different future. Why? Because money isn't just about math. It's about psychology. There's a powerful mental bias called present bias. Your brain naturally values today's pleasure more than tomorrow's rewards. That's why saving money feels boring, but buying something new feels exciting. Every purchase gives your brain a quick hit of dopamine. That excitement lasts minutes. The credit card bill? That can last months. This is exactly why companies spend billions designing apps, ads, and websites that encourage impulse buying. Only two left. Sale ends tonight. Buy now.
They're not selling products. They're triggering your emotions. Wealthy people understand something different. They know every dollar has two jobs. You can spend it today, or you can let it work for you tomorrow. Before buying anything, ask yourself one question. Will I still be happy I bought this 1 year from now? If the answer is no, you probably don't need it. That's how small habits create big wealth. Not by making one perfect decision, but by making hundreds of smart ones. Every dollar you don't waste today can become an investment that earns money while you sleep. That's the real difference. Poor decisions buy temporary happiness. Smart decisions buy permanent freedom.
So here's today's challenge. Before making your next non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. If not, you didn't lose anything. You won against your brain. Remember, the richest people aren't always the highest earners. They're the people who learn to control their psychology before their money.